In this legal series, I would like to talk about the agencies. In India, nowadays, 3 agencies are called and very famous now. Even common people also are knowing the agencies. One is the Enforcement Directorate, second one is CBI, and third one is National Investigation Agency. Among which I take first the Enforcement Directorate. The Enforcement Directorate nowadays are very common. The people are knowing it. It's raids and its seizure and confiscation works. All the common people are knowing it well. And how the Enforcement Directorate is functioning? It is very important. It is a multidisciplinary organization. It functions on nearly 5 acts, I think so. It's a Prevention of Money Laundering Act, and Foreign Exchange Management Act, and Foreign Exchange Regulation Act, and Fugitive Economic Offenders Act, and also Conservation of the Foreign Exchange and Prevention of the Smuggling Acts, 1974. Like that, on these acts, the Enforcement Directorate functions. Maximum, the Enforcement Directorate acts on money laundering. The money laundering activities are high. How the Enforcement Directorate is now famous in India? Because the maximum politicians, they are under the also Enforcement Directorate acts now. The Enforcement Directorate has filed the cases and have seized and confiscated their properties. I need not to say the famous politician, and they are under this act. This agency functions very carefully and doing its work very carefully. It acts on enforcement of economic laws, carrying out its searches and seizures and confiscation of illegal assets, and sponsoring agency under the Coffee for Short Act. But how the trial or the cases of the Enforcement Directorates are run? Special courts, maximum sessions courts have been empowered to take in the trial of the offences by the Enforcement Directorate. The Enforcement Directorate collects the also maximum evidences like other agencies, and also in the starts the cases in the special courts. The special courts is empowered to do more cases and to conduct the also in the trial the cases by the Enforcement Directorate. The organization is headed by the director. Director also is for 2 years, but it is based on Central Vigilance Commission Act. On the provisions of the also Central Vigilance Commission Act, the director is selected. He is for 2 years, and how like other agencies, these agencies also criticized. Maximum political oriented and also central government oriented. That's also the Enforcement Directorate is alleged to be functioning and raiding the also the opponent political parties like that. Many allegations are there. Whatever may be, the agency is must for a healthy democratic system and to do best and just to the people. Thank you.